Hey, what's up, guys? Tanvir here. Hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are going to learn Adobe Photoshop tools. Let's jump into Photoshop. Let's create a new file. Here you can see a few options before creating a canvas, photo, print, art and illustration, web, mobile, film and video. You can create different sizes of canvas based on your need, or you can create any custom size of canvas, or you can select its width by pixel, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points or pixels. Also you can select the color mode, background contents, etc. Let's create a canvas. Here at the top, this is the menu bar. You can see a few options there, and down there, here is the control, and at the left side you can see the main toolbar. There are a total of 69 tools available in the latest Photoshop 2022 version. And at the right side, this is the panel section. Here you can see the layers, properties, swatches, gradients, patterns, etc. And if you can see this panels here, you can select the workspace and essentials, click on this item and it will automatically load it in your screen. Now let's start with the move tool. To explain you the uses of the tools, I have already created a file. Let's start from it. By selecting the move tool, you can move any image here and there around. This is what it does, the move tool. And next, the artboard tool. You can create artboards by using the artboard tool. Here we can see the plus icon. If you click on this icon, then it will create automatically an artboard. You can create artboards based on your needs, as many as you want. Now let's see the next tool, the mark tool. Let's open up an image. If you drag and your mouse with your mouse, you can see a rectangular selection in your canvas, and if you right click on from your mouse, you can see a few options. You can fill this selected area with any custom color, or by selecting the move tool you can cut the layer, or by pressing Ctrl J you can create a new layer. Basically it creates a selection. Next, the elliptical marquee tool. It will create a circle selection on your canvas. You can cut, copy, paste it based on your need, or create a new layer, the same thing. And then the single row marquee tool, it will select one pixel of row at a time. Let's, yeah, I have zoomed in and you can see it selected one pixel of row. And then the single column tool, also it's selected, you can see it selected one pixel of column here. Basically this marquee tools just for making selections. Next, the lasso tool, to show you its edges. It's just a freehand tool. You can move your mouse or select an particular area from your canvas like this. And next, the polygonal lasso tool. You can make selections by connecting straight lines like this. Now, next is the magnetic lasso tool. If you want to make any particular selection, just click on any item and move your mouse, but don't make any mistake, otherwise it will select the wrong area. See, it just selected the whole shape. And next, the object selection tool. To see this tool uses, let's open up a new image. Loading. If you want to select this, select the main image from this image and from this background, just drag your mouse and make a selection. It will automatically select the main image. It's loading. Wait for a moment and it's done. And next is a quick selection tool. If you want to select the background, just move your mouse over and over again, and you can see it will select the blue background like this. Basically what it does, the quick selection. And the next tool is magic wand tool. If you want to select an particular item based on its color, like just click on here and it will select the colored area, related color area from its canvas like this. Or you can also select any gradient background like this. You can also select inverse pressing options and create a new layer. These three tools basically for creating a selection for a perfect and quicker selection so that you can work so fast. And next, the crop tool. Let's open up a new image. If you want to crop any image, then you need to use the crop tool. And next, the perspective crop tool. If you want to crop any particular item like this document, click its edges and press OK. You can see it just cropped the whole document and straightened it. And the slice tool, if you want to slice your photo, then this tool is for you. Mainly it's used on the web design section. I don't use this tool at all. And the slice selection is for selecting the slices. You can see here, you can select any slice by this tool. The next is the frame tool. Let's open a new image again. Select the frame tool. You can see there are a few options. Two options, circle and rectangular. We will change this coffee background. Let's do it. Create a circle frame and transform it to get fit with this image. Yeah, it's nearly done. Now let's replace the background with a new coffee background. You can see the changes, but we need to make a little bit more adjustments. Yeah, now it's good. You can see the changes here. Now this is the basic uses of the frame tool. Next is the eyedropper tool. If you want to select a custom or particular color as a foreground color, just click on any item. You can see the changes here. It will automatically copy the color code and change the color. And next, the 3D material eyedropper tool. We will skip this tool because we are not working on 3D canvas right now. Next, the color sampler tool. If you click on any particular color item, it will show you the RGB value of it, CMYK value, and a few more options. You can see the changes. If you move your mouse here, the information automatically changes. And next is the ruler tool. To show you the uses of the ruler tool, let's open another image. Suppose you want to straight this image, select the line tool and create a line, and just select here at the top straighten layer. It will automatically straighten the layer. Nearly it just selected the straighten the layer. You can see the changes. And next, the node tool. You can click any type of nodes by clicking on your canvas as many nodes as you want. If you're working on a complex project, then you can use this node tool. Next, the count tool. To show you the count tool, let's go to the previous. Here, if you want to count anything, you can see marker size. Let's increase the marker size. Level size 40. Here. Now you can see here is 1. If you click on this image, you will see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. It just make it just create the count of an image. And next, the spot healing brush tool. Let's open a new image. As example, you want to remove these spots from, just click on her face. It will automatically remove the dots from the face. You can see the changes here, how it works. It really works properly. See, the dots are gone. Now, the healing brush tool. To use this tool, first you have to select an area by pressing Alt and click on the other item to replace the selection. You can see here, you can also replacing the dots by using this tool. Just press Alt and move it to another place, and it will replace the selection like this. And next, the patch tool. To see the patch tool information, let's undo the changes. If you want to remove this dots, select the create a selection and move it to another place, and it will, you can see it will replace the selection. And that's it. Content aware move tool. To see the changes, to see these images, let's open up a new image. As example, you want to move this person to another place. Just drag your mouse to a different area and click OK, and boom, just hold on, it's working. Now you can see the changes. The people has been moved to another place. And next, the red eye tool. Let's open a new image. As you can see, the eye is a little bit kind of red. If you want to reduce the color, it's not properly red, but it's nearly red brown color. But if you want to make it natural, then you can use the red to red eye tool. You can see the difference between the eyes. It looks more natural than the previous. And next, the brush tool. You can brush any color of on any object. If you want, you can change the color and brush anything any higher, and that's it. Really what it does, that brush your canvas. And next, the pencil tool. You can create any kind of pencil line using this tool. This is really simple. And next, the color replacement tool. Replacement tool. Suppose you want to replace its color. Select a new color and move your mouse. You can see it just replacing its color. And next tool is the mixer brush tool. Change the color and you can see it will mix up the color and brush it in your canvas around over and over again like this. Just you can brush anything, any color. Now next is the history brush tool. No, the clone stamp. To see this clone stamp tool, let's open up a new image. As example, if you want to clone this image, simply click on it and press Alt on it, and then just drag your mouse. You'll see it will automatically create another image like this, and that's it. Next, the pattern stamp tool. To show you the pattern stamp tool, let's open up a new image. Suppose you want to change the background grass here. Select this background and first use the object selection tool. It's loading. Wait for a while. Now you can see it just selected the main image. We have just created a new layer. Now Click the pattern stamp tool and select grass here and move your mouse to draw the pattern, grass pattern here. Now you can just move off the selected layer from previous. You can see the changes. It's good than the previous image. You can see the difference. Now it looks fantastic. Like this, you can use the pattern stamp tool. Also, there are a few patterns by default by Photoshop: trees, grass, and water. Or you can download more patterns from internet to use it. Now let's move to the different tool, and now we will use the history brush tool. Let's open up a new image. Suppose to see and to show you the uses of this tool, let's use the spot healing tool. Let's remove this people from here. You can see the person is gone. Now if you want to restore or undo the changes, simply click on the history brush tool and click here. You can see the person is back here. It's like this. That's how you can use this brush history brush tool. And next is the art history brush tool. Basically what it does, it will paint stylized strokes with paint pixels from an earlier state of an image. Select this tool and drag your mouse over an image. You can see the changes here. And next, the eraser tool. Close this image. To show you the eraser tool, let's open a image. Select the eraser tool. If you want, you can erase this sky here. And next, the background eraser tool. You can make the background transparent like this. And next, the magic eraser tool. To show you the this tool uses, let's open a different image. Like you just click on here and it will automatically delete the related color area at once, like this. See, quickly you can quickly delete any background using this tool. And next, the gradient tool. You can use any type of gradient using this gradient tool. There are a lot of gradient options by default available in Photoshop. You can select any of it. There are five types of gradients. And first one, the liner gradient, and the second one is radial gradient, and the third one is angle gradient. I'm showing you how it looks like. How it, and the fourth one is reflected gradient. You can also change the gradient to see the changes. See? And the last one is diamond gradient. This is how you can use the gradient tool, or suppose you want to change this photo background to another gradient background. Simply use the object selection tool and wait for a while. Just hold on. Now it's properly selected. Let's create a new layer and double click on the layer, and you will see the layer style panel. Click here the gradient overlay from here and place it on color. You can see, just change the background. This is how you can use the gradient, or also you can use this gradient tool from here like this. Now next, see, the next tool is the paint bucket tool. Suppose you want to change the coffee cup background here. Select a different color. I just selected black. Then just click it here. You can see it just changes the background color here. This is the foreground color and this is the background color. And this paint bucket tool is always use the foreground color. Next is 3D material drop tool. We'll skip this tool because we are not working in 3D canvas right now. I'll publish more videos about 3D, how to use 3D tools on Photoshop, and also at the menu bar you can see the 3D option. There are a lot of options, settings. We will talk about it on another video later. Now next is the blur tool. Let's open a image. If you want to blur a particular area of any selected area or item, you can see it just, the trees are just looks blurry here. You can blur any items like this using this blur tool. And next, the sharpen tool. Suppose you want to sharpen this trees, you can see it looks blurry here. Just drag your mouse here, you can see it will sharpen this image, but don't overuse the sharpen tool, otherwise it will reduce the image quality like this. I hope you understand, guys. Now let's see the smudge tool. Open up a new image, select the smudge tool. You can smudge any section using this tool. we are going to smooth the see here. You can see the difference. Sometimes it is necessary. I use this tool very rarely. Sometimes, you know. Now let's see the next tool is the dodge tool. We can use this tool to increase the brightness of any image. See, it will increase your image brightness. The image is now much brighter than the previous. This is how the dodge tool works. Let's duplicate this layer and we'll see the burn tool right now. Basically, it decreases the brightness of any image. You can see here, if you drag your mouse here, it just decreases the light. If you uncheck this is the difference. Now the sponge tool. Let's open a new image to see the uses of a sponge tool. Select the tool, and it also decreases the light and change the background to darken color. You can see the difference. Drag your mouse over and over again and you'll see the changes. Both of this tool, the sponge tool, dodge tool and burn tool, increase the brightness, and this burn and sponge tool just for decreasing the brightness. As example, again select the burn tool, just drag your mouse, you can see the changes. That's it. Now next is the pen tool. Create a new layer. You can create any kind of shape or paths using the pen tool. Select any color, click it, drag and drop your mouse and press Alt to take control of this anchor, and then again drag your mouse and then again click Alt to take care of this circle anchor, and then again drag your mouse. You can create different kinds of shape like this using the pen tool. And next is the freedom pen tool. And the difference is you can freely use this pen tool to create a shape like this. Just freely move your mouse and it will automatically create a shape. And next is curvature pen tool. And this curvature pen tool is behave like a curve always. Every time you want to create a shape, it behaves like a curve. You can see the changes. Now let's see the add anchor point tools. First of all, to see the add anchor point tool, let's create a shape. This is the rectangular tool. You can use any kind of shape by using this tool. Select the add anchor point tool and click here, here, and here, and here. You can see it just created a 4 anchor points. And then the delete anchor point tools. You can delete any anchor points by deleting this. And after that, convert point tool. To see the convert point tool, I'm going to create a shape using the curvature pen tool. Now just select the convert point tool, click any of anchor point, and you will see the changes. Basically what it does, it will create an angle on any anchor points. Now next is the type tool. You can type any kind of text here using this tool like this, and here you will see a few controls. The font, let's use a different font, or you can see font width and font height in pixel, or also you can set the alignment and color from here. Next is the vertical type tool. It will type your text vertically, that's it. Next is the horizontal type mask tool. To show you this, it's just let's open an image, select the layer, select the tool from here and click it here. Type, say, welcome to Maldives. You can see it's just a selection. Now you can delete the selection to see the changes, or you can put any color of it like the white. These two tools, vertical type marks tools and horizontal type marks tool, is only for text selection, type selection. The next is the path selection tool. Let's create a path, and this is the rectangle tool. I've told you before, create a rectangle, and next uh, create a ellipse tool. Create an ellipse. I'm going to change its color. Now select the path selection tool. You can select the whole path by using this tool. And next is the direct selection tool. You can select any anchor of the shape or transform it like this. I just forgot to tell you one thing. By clicking the path tools, you can add or remove border radius by using this path selection tool. Next, we have already see this rectangle and ellipse tool, and now let's see the triangle tool. You can draw any kind of triangle shapes using this triangle tool. Next is polygon tool. You can create any kind of polygonal shape like this. To increase the number of polygon, just click on it and you can see the number of sides. Increase it to 8, and okay, you'll see there are 8 sides of this polygon here, and that's it. Next, the cast line tool. You can create any line of by using this tool like this. You can see the line. And next is the custom shape tool. Let's change the foreground color, and here you can see in the control you can select any kind of shapes, boats, leaf trees. Let's select a tree here and just drag your mouse here, and you'll see the tree. It will automatically create a shape. And next is the hand tool. You can move your canvas by using this hand tool. And next is the rotate view tool. You can rotate your canvas by using this tool like this. And next is the zoom tool. You can zoom your canvas, and if you press the Alt key and it will zoom you out. And next, this is the edit toolbar. If you want to edit your toolbar, then right click on it. You'll see an option, just click on it. Here you'll see the option to customize the toolbar. So that's all for today. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll get back to you soon, guys. Now stay focused and keep learning.